Let's make sourdough breakfast pizza. So I use my sourdough starter fresh from the jar, discard, whatever you want to call it, and I use that for my pizza crust. So I will put it on an oiled pizza stone, pop it in the oven at 350, and let it bake until it starts to firm up and get a little bit brown. You want it pretty solid on the bottom so that it's going to hold on to your ingredients on the top. For a breakfast pizza, I use a white sauce and I use my cream soup mix. So this is a dry mix that I always keep in my pantry. Basically, it's powdered milk, arrowroot powder, and some seasoning. I love it for this application and many more. I usually add some garlic and salt and pepper here for our breakfast pizza. So we will add that down as our base on our baked crust. And then I'll have about 3 to 4 scrambled eggs. I chop them up into smaller pieces, and then we will add that on top of our pizza. You can mix and match toppings as you would choose, but we love to have eggs and we have chickens, so we usually have plenty of eggs, especially in the spring and summer. So this is another great way to use them for breakfast. And then whatever kind of meat you would choose, we really like bacon. I will usually cook bacon one day, have it for breakfast, and then chop up the leftovers and have that for our pizza the next day. So that's what we've got here, pre-cooked chopped bacon, ham, sausage, whatever you would pick. And then I will top this with some shredded cheese. Any cheese that you have on hand, cheddar and mozzarella are usually the ones that I will reach for, but again, whatever your favorite is. I usually like more white sauce and less cheese on my breakfast pizza, but you can add as much cheese or as little as you would like. So then we'll pop the pizza back into the oven for a few minutes, let that kind of brown up, melt the cheese, and it'll be ready for you to enjoy. So we cut it up in slices and have this with some fruit or yogurt or something else and enjoy.